Stephanie, thanks. A live look now at Ben Franklin Parkway as we wind down the first day of the work week. It is a muggy Monday. Best to be inside or in front of a fan or an AC unit. Meteorologist Lauren Casey joins us live from her home. Hopefully the AC is cranking. And Lauren, we could be in the midst of the first heat wave of the season.
That's absolutely correct, Jess. Yeah, so far this year, we've only had 2 days in the 90s in Philadelphia. On average, we have 5 90-degree days in the month of June, and we're likely going to add to that tally as we head into the next couple of days. So inside is the place to be, or, of course, down the shore, taking a dip in that cool Atlantic Ocean water. People out on the beach enjoying the conditions right now. Temperature 79 degrees, our cool spot in Wildwood with that sea breeze kicking up, 84 in Atlantic City, but we're at 88 degrees in Philadelphia. Our unofficial high so far today, 89. We're close to that 90-degree mark in Allentown, and same case in Reading. Feels like temperatures up there in the low 90s in the city. Same case in the Lehigh Valley, feeling like 94 at this hour in Reading. That in part because of these numbers. Dew point temperatures tell us how humid it feels when you step outside. When they cross especially the 70-degree threshold, it feels like you're in Florida. Storm scan showing us we do have a line of showers and thunderstorms. The good news is it's trending to weaken, as you notice, especially over the last couple of frames. Most of these storms are not exclamation point in our future as we head into the next several hours, but we do have a cluster of storms working into far western Lancaster County. They're trending to move off to the north-northeast, so most of them will miss us, and they're moving fairly slowly at about 30 miles per hour, but they are potent. Baltimore just seeing damaging winds, hail, heavy rain, street flooding, but even that severe thunderstorm over the last couple of frames starting to weaken. We did have a thunderstorm try to pop over central Delaware, but because it's so hot, we actually have a cap in the atmosphere in place that's not allowing these clouds, these thunderstorms to rise up and develop, and that's minimizing our storm chances. But we're not going to rule out the possibility of 1 or 2 stronger storms over the next couple of hours to the west of the city in this marginal risk area. So for tonight, chance of just an isolated storm early, otherwise partly cloudy, warm and muggy. Low temperature only falling to 72. Another steamy day tomorrow, even hotter, up to 92, partly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms late day tomorrow, tomorrow night, and early Wednesday. Behind that storm threat, a drop in the humidity levels as reflected by our dew points. So feeling more comfortable by late day Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, although it will still be hot, Yuki, with high temperatures in the upper 80s. We're back up into the 90s by the weekend.
We'll see. Thank you so much.